IKEA Pruta, a multi-function food container. There are still many people that assimilate IKEA with furniture. Actually, this brand also has other products. One of our favorites is the IKEA Pruta, the food container product. There are many aspects that make it become our favorite food container from IKEA. The design. IKEA Pruta has a simple design. However, the simplicity is actually a good thing, which we like. It is also available in 3 sizes, which make it become more useful for keeping many different types of foods. The dimensions are 14 by 14 by 6 centimeters, and it can hold 0.6 liters of food or anything you want to keep in it. We love it so much. The features. The transparent material used makes you easily notice the food you keep inside. This will help you find and organize it easily, so you don't need to worry about placing it inside your full refrigerator. Moreover, it uses polypropylene plastic material. This material doesn't have BPA, bisphenol A, which makes it recyclable. So using this product, you can also help our Earth from worsened and global warming effect. The design isn't only beautiful, it's also functional. The design allows you to stack and combine it to save more space. For example, if you use it to store different food, you can stack it when you place it inside your refrigerator. It also has freezer-safe features. That means if you need a container to make ice cream, IKEA Pruta is the perfect choice for that. And that's not all. That feature is also useful when you use it to keep your food as well as store the food container when you aren't using it. Usually you will need a bigger space if you keep 3 food containers inside your cabinet, but by stacking it inside one another, you just need 1 space to place it. Just make sure you keep it dry before you stack it on each other and store it. Otherwise, it could invite mold to grow in it. So wipe it clean after you wash it. And speaking about washing IKEA Pruta, there is another great feature you can find in this product. This product is dishwasher safe. This will help you to clean it much faster and easier. Moreover, the material is also suitable for microwave cooking up to 100 degrees Celsius. It helps you to heat up the food you keep inside easily. Just put it in your microwave and you can heat it up just like that. Just make sure you open the lid a little when you're going to release the steam and keep the food. Conclusion. With the beautiful and useful design, IKEA Pruta is definitely one of the best food containers you can find on the market. You can use it for many purposes. More importantly, it is also available at an affordable price. For this package, you can get it for just $1.49. So it's a worthy product you can get for your food storage and other purposes.